SMFest International, Mr. Ajah Excel. Good evening, sir. It is such an honor having you here today.
Thank you, Sophia.
So much, sir. So I'll go with my first question. What does digital awakening resonate to you on a very personal note?
On a personal note, digital awakening as a theme is like a call to Africa to actually wake up to the fact that the world has gone digital. And a call for Africa to begin to see themselves as people who can contribute to digital space other than consumers of digital products. Most Africans, most Nigerians are waiting for the next big product that will be released from outside, not knowing that they themselves can be the creators of those products. So I think digital awakening is that call to say to Africans, you guys can create a landscape of these two products in your continent.
Yes. Oh, that's really nice, sir. So you mentioned whilst you were speaking that every challenge should be turned into a digital product. I don't know if I quoted you right. Sir, are there times you have tried to solve problems and it has failed?
Correct. Yes, of course. I've built a number of products that didn't get to the market.
Yes.
Like I can remember like 3 in my head right now that I had to work on for like months, but it didn't fly.
Wow.
You know, so but what I know is that if one didn't work, there is yet another one that you can go on for, and that has helped a lot.
Okay, well that's really nice, sir. Being the convener of SMFest International, what is that one experience you have gotten out of the entire SMFest program? That very one experience that you think would shape you, that you think has tweaked something in you that cannot be turned for the rest of your life?
It is the fact that an idea can become something big. An idea is a living stuff if you can be able to give life to it. Because the SMFest brand came as an idea and we gave it life. And now it has grown and it's got a baby already.
Yeah.
And it's going to get even much more.
More babies. More babies are coming. Amen.
Yeah.
So do you think your vision for SMFest has come to maturation?
Not really. This is just the beginning of what we vision for SMFest. SMFest International is the goal, where SMFest will be hosted across different continents of the world, not just in Africa, but at the global stage. So this is just the beginning of that big dream that we have for SMFest. Yes.
The vision is very big, and I love it. I love it, sir. I love it. So what do you think SMFest needs now that it doesn't have?
Well, I was thinking about adoption, but as I noticed that it needs even much more adoption. And as I can see, we're actually progressing towards that. So it may not have it now, but I see it having it in the next few years. So much more adoption, more cities hosting and having SMFest is what I look up for. Yes.
That's wonderful. So what's that one decision you made in the early stage of your life that has shaped who you are today?
One of the decisions that I made in the early stage of my life that have shaped who I am today is taking responsibility for my life. I chose to take responsibility for my life. Yeah. And since then, it has been, I decide exactly the kind of result I want and I go for it. Whether I've got people supporting it or not, I know that if I give it my best, people will buy into my vision.
This decision that you made, this early stage decision, taking responsibility for yourself, does it have anything to do with any childhood experience, or maybe your family, upbringing, training, or your position in your family?
Yes, of course, it does. I actually finished secondary school, and my uncle, who trained me from primary to secondary school, told me that he doesn't have money to send me to university. And he wasn't lying, because I could see the situation of the family. So at that point, I said, if I'm going to go to school, it's up to me. So I had to go teach JAM students to make money to apply for JAM.
Wow.
Yeah, so it was teaching in JAM blessings that gave me the money I used to apply for JAM. So since then, since that year, I've been independent, and I've taken the decision that have brought my life to this point by myself most of the time. Yes.
Well, that is such an inspiring story you have. Imagine having not written jam ever in your life, but teaching those.
Yeah, yeah.
That's really beautiful.
You would want to know why I could teach jam students.
For real?
Yeah.
Sincerely, sir, that is very huge. I've never heard this part of your story, but I am so glad that I heard it today. It's very inspiring to me. Of course, I believe it to be inspiring to whosoever would hear this. Thank you so very much, sir, for being here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.